me, Deepa. So I've decided to do a few videos leading up to Carnival. We have just one more thing, yes, one more week left, and I just thought that this video would be very useful if you are hitting a fete, or maybe if you are going to be playing mass. So I have a few videos compiled and I'm going to try to post every day. I'm hoping that works out. It takes so much time to make these videos and then edit them and then post them. So I hope I actually really do it. So my first video is actually going to be how to use these temporary spray-on colors. So okay, so I got this one in Pennywise and it was under $20, maybe 16 something, somewhere around there, and I thought this would be pretty cool to show you guys. I chose pink, but there are other colors, lots of other colors. When I got this one, I also saw purple and blue and some other fluorescent colors, so you can choose whichever one matches your costume or whichever one you like best. If you're hitting a fete and you want to look different and you don't want anything too permanent, you just want a temporary color in your hair, this is definitely the way to go. Now if you do have blonde hair or very blonde hair, or you know, any bright colors, you want to be careful because it could possibly stain. My hair is not really too bright, it just has a very mild color, so my hair would be okay. But if you have like blonde hair or platinum or one of those really funky colors, you want to be careful because this could possibly stain your hair, possibly. So be careful if you do have, you know, light colors in your hair, because you don't want to actually spoil your existing color, right? Alright, so the first thing I want to do is, this is what my hair looks like the next day. Like if I wash my hair today, it would look really nice. My curls are defined and everything. But then when I sleep on it and I get up the next day, just like if you guys were to do curls on your hair, on your naturally straight hair, and that curls drop and it may get frizzy, same thing happens to my hair, even though it's naturally curly. So the first thing I want to do is fix my curls, and I'm going to use my curling iron to do that, my Babyliss Pro curling iron. And usually I have frizz on my hairline, so I'm going to try to fix that as well. I have another video down below in my feed showing you guys how you can fix the frizz on your hairline, so you can check that video out, but I'll show you very quick how to do it anyways. So you want to just grab little small sections of your hair, take your time, and you don't want, if you don't want to straighten all your hair, don't go too far down, so you want to straighten just like 1 inch in. So like this. So usually my hair, I would move my hair from side to side. I don't really keep a particular part, but let's just say I was actually going to keep a particular part. Let's just say I'm going to keep my hair on this side. What you want to do is, if you have frizz on the part, it would show as well. So you want to probably smoothen there, just so that your frizz don't show. There we go. And I'm not going to curl all my hair. I am just going to curl where I think looks really frizzy. So you see this little area right here? Like these curls are okay, I don't mind these. But the little frizziness right there, I'm going to fix that. So I would hold, it doesn't have to be very small sections, because I want my hair to look fun and a little bit wild. Not too like perfect ringlets, I don't really care for that. I want it to look really fun. So you want to just take your hair and curl it really quickly. I like to catch that curl in my hand and just sort of squeeze it together like this so that it will cool in my hands a little bit before I let it go. This way it actually keeps its form. starting to look a little bit decent. So I am going to continue just going through all these little curls and, you know, trying to get them to look a little bit more tidy. Alright, and I'll see you guys in a little bit. Bye! Alright, so there we go. All curled up, and my curls feel a lot better. So now I am going to try my spray-on color, my temporary color. So you want to give it a nice shake, 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 shake. Yes. Alright, next, of course, make sure when you are doing this, put on a top that you don't mind getting color on. I actually really mind if this top gets color on it because I like this top. It has the elephants on it. I don't know if you all can see it, but it's so cute. Anyway, so I don't want my top to get any color. So I'm gonna put this, I have this black towel here. I'm gonna top this. Right, okay, good. If you have a cape, you can probably put your cape on. So what I want to do is, now you can actually put a lot of this on. So I'm just going to select certain curls, hold it up and try to spray. You want to keep it a little far from you as well. Don't like hold it so close to the hair. You don't want to do this. You want to hold it at a distance, right? So here goes. And you know, you can just move your hands. Ooh, this is pretty. So pretty. Alright, so I'm going to select another curl here. Actually, and you can fix your curls as you go along. Like this one, I think I can curl it over. This. Okay. Hold my curl out again. This side. Feel like I love the pink. I just want to put a little pink right there. So I'm gonna put my towel right back on me. And if you want to go close to your bangs, to your face, make sure and protect your eyes and your skin. And one of your curls just happens to go out of place and you need to curl it back, feel free to curl it with your spray on. Nothing is going to happen. So you can just quickly curl it back like this and fix your curl if need be. I feel this one needs a little. So there we go, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video.